is to create a software for automatic segmentation of organs that we can then use for 3D printing, and have a brand new approach to see how we can work with these tools and allow medical students to run interventions, but also to learn anatomy and all the things that they intend to do during their studies, and having a base where they can build on top and learn more about the human body.
The goal and challenge of this project is to develop a sophisticated art installation that harnesses all senses and opens the door between the digital world and the real world. My work is to visualize the development process of the 3D Prime project, the development of the organ objects with different materials, and the build-up and layering techniques in the 3D technology as objects of art. I want to invite the visitors to enter this installation that associate a laboratory and a clean room. Here they are in the area between fantasy and reality. The visitors can move around like in another dimension, surrounded by strange shapes and materials which automatically attract to see closer and to touch them.